Hello everybody, my name is Ray Worrell and I'm the Graduate Assistant for the Peer Advocate Leadership Program, and I'm here to show you the tech exploration video on Outlook 365, which will include a general look on Outlook, the Outlook 365 applications that are free to you as a CU Denver student, and OneDrive, which is similar to Google Drive, where it's the cloud storage space for your files, attachments, and documentations that you have. So as you can see here, we are on Outlook, which is the email service that is free to you as a CU Denver student and is the primary emailing service that we use for CU Denver. If you can scroll to the left corner where my cursor is at App Launcher, and you'll see a plethora of applications that are free to you as a CU Denver student. You're free to use Microsoft Word for free, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Whiteboard, but I think the most important one would be OneDrive, which is similar to Google Drive, where it shows you all the attachments and all the documents that you have sent to yourself, sent to others, shared with others through your groups, peers, or professors. You can sync it through your computer. That way you can work on these documents without Wi-Fi or with Wi-Fi, and it's a good searching space to find your documents that you've sent to others, and it's easily accessible through Outlook as well. But that's all I have for information. If you have any questions or any concerns or comments, please send me an email at rey.worrell@ucdenver.edu. Thank you for joining me on this tech exploration video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.